Hello, Chris and Vic. May I tell you my best hopes for this workshop we are co-creating?
Yes.
Absolutely.
You know, I've been a therapist for 25 plus years, and in that time, I've organized a number of conferences. I've attended countless workshops, and like every other therapist and counselor, I'm required to obtain ethics continuing education credits. And therapists and counselors often dread those ethics CEs because of the subject matter, but also because of fear of boredom. So I wanted to put together a workshop with solid content delivered in a memorable and engaging way. And knowing the two of you and how we three work together, I'm quite confident that we'll pull that off. So what are your thoughts?
I agree, Pam. I've done trainings with you. I've done trainings with Chris. I know we really have good energy when we do these trainings. What I'm looking forward to is being able to bring good content into the workshop. For instance, most therapists don't know the top 3 complaints that are brought to their either their licensing board or their malpractice insurance. But the insurance company knows what those complaints are. One of those complaints is a failure to document. Therapists not keeping complete records. So in the workshop, that's one of the things we'll focus on. How can therapists do a great job, ethical job with their client documentation? And so that'll be part of what people can expect when they attend this workshop.
Nice. And in prepping the workshop, a big piece of it was to relate ethical concepts to actual magic tricks that you can learn and improv exercises. Because not only does this make this workshop more fun and engaging, what we found from a neuroscience perspective is that when you can root these theoretical concepts in real tangible things like a mini disappearing baseball or a disappearing coin or an improv exercise, you activate both sides of your brain. You kind of get out of that stupor and you can actually remember things for an extremely long time.
And that's why I'm excited to do this with the two of you. And if we've piqued your interest, please join us on April 23rd for the magic and mastery of relational ethics.
Yes, absolutely.
You guys.